drowning in Teams chats and need a lifeline. Today, I'm going to show you how to export your Teams chat history so you can finally organize those important conversations and breathe easy. First, and this is crucial, you'll need to understand that you cannot export chat history directly within the Teams application itself. This is a key point many people miss. The export functionality is managed by your organization's administrator through the Microsoft Purview compliance portal. Your first step, therefore, is to contact your IT department or your Teams administrator. Explain that you need to export your Teams chat history and that they need to perform this action through the Microsoft Purview compliance portal. They are the key to unlocking this data. Once your administrator accesses the Purview compliance portal, they will typically use the content search or e-discovery tools to locate and export your specific chat data. These tools allow them to target conversations based on keywords, date ranges, and specific users. Make sure to be as specific as possible when requesting the export. Give your administrator the exact date range and any relevant keywords to help them narrow down the search and avoid exporting unnecessary data. This will make the process faster and more efficient. The administrator will then be prompted to choose an export format. Common formats include .pst files for importing into Outlook or .csv files for spreadsheet viewing. Discuss with your administrator which format best suits your needs and how you plan to use the exported data. After the export is complete, your administrator will provide you with the exported data, typically in a zip folder. Unzip the folder to access the exported files in the format you selected. Now you can finally organize, archive, or analyze your Teams chat history as needed. Remember to handle the exported data securely, as it likely contains sensitive information. And that's it. While the process involves your administrator, understanding these steps will help you get your Teams chat history exported efficiently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.